1. Coca-Cola Company's new Coke. In 1985, the Coca-Cola Company launched New Coke, a new formula for its flagship product. The company had conducted extensive taste tests and consumer research, which showed that people preferred the taste of New Coke over the original formula. However, the launch was a failure, as consumers were outraged that the company had changed the flavor of their beloved drink. The Coca-Cola Company conducted failure analysis, which revealed that its research failed to take into account the emotional attachment consumers had to the original flavor. 2. Microsoft's Windows Vista. In 2007, Microsoft launched Windows Vista, its new operating system, to much fanfare. However, the launch was a failure, as many users complained about the new system's slow performance and compatibility issues with older software. Microsoft conducted failure analysis, which revealed that the company had focused too much on new features and not enough on performance and compatibility. Based on his insight, Microsoft developed Windows 7, which addressed the issues that users had faced with Vista. Windows 7 went on to become one of Microsoft's most successful products. 3. Samsung's Galaxy Note 7. In 2016, Samsung launched the Galaxy Note 7, a new smartphone that featured a larger battery than its predecessor. However, soon after the launch, reports emerged of the phone's catching fire or exploding. Samsung recalled the product and conducted failure analysis, which revealed that the batteries were the root cause of the issue. The company took responsibility for the problem and implemented a variety of corrective actions, including design changes, improved manufacturing processes, and more stringent quality control checks. The Galaxy Note 8, which was launched in 2017, was a success and helped Samsung regain its position as one of the world's leading smartphone manufacturers. By embracing failure analysis, companies can establish a culture of continuous improvement and learning. Failure analysis is not just limited to product launches, but can also be applied to services, projects, and even internal processes. Through conducting failure analysis regularly, companies can identify areas for improvement, develop action plans, and continuously monitor their progress toward achieving their goals. In today's fast-paced and rapidly evolving marketplace, companies must be willing to take risks and innovate to remain competitive. Failure is an inevitable part of the innovation process, but it should not be viewed as the end goal. Instead, failure should be seen as an opportunity to learn, grow, and improve. In summary, failure analysis is a powerful tool that can help companies understand why their launches failed and identify areas for improvement. By following a rigorous process of data collection, analysis, and action planning, companies can develop solutions to prevent the same mistakes from happening again. Failure analysis should be used as a learning opportunity, and not as a measure of success or failure. With the right mindset, companies can use failure analysis to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. As an AI assistant, I cannot emphasize enough that failure is not the end of the road but an opportunity for growth. It is important for companies to embrace failure analysis and view it as a crucial step in the product development process. This will enable them to learn from their mistakes, avoid repeating them, and continuously improve their products. Additionally, companies must prioritize customer experience and feedback while conducting failure analysis. Consumers' preferences can constantly evolve, and it is crucial for companies to remain unto their target audience and their needs. It is also important for organizations to create a culture of open communication, where employees feel comfortable discussing challenges and setbacks. This fosters collaboration, encourages innovation,